You might be setting off on a family holiday abroad, or maybe you're traveling to close that international business deal you've spent months working on. Or you're off on another thrilling adventure. But something we all take for granted could ruin your trip. Water. You could end up drinking water that's harboring bacteria, viruses and cysts, as well as chemicals like pesticides. Around 1 in 3 people get sick from contaminated food or water while they're traveling. It could mean spending part of your trip confined to a bed or a bathroom. And if you're backpacking, you might struggle to get treatment for a potentially life-threatening infection. You could have to deal with dehydration, loss of money, travel delays, medical visits, and possible long-term health issues. And even if you think you're prepared, contamination can happen when you brush your teeth or drink from fake bottled water that has actually been filled from the local tap. So it's not always safe to drink the local water when you're traveling abroad. But what's the solution? An AquaPure traveler bottle is a safe, portable, and effective way to purify your drinking water. You can use it with hotel taps, standpipes, rivers and streams, or with any water that's of unknown quality. With an AquaPure traveler bottle, it's easy to collect contaminated water and transform it into purified drinking water instantly, with no waiting time and no chemicals. And when it comes to the environment, an AquaPure traveler bottle is a good alternative to wasteful plastic bottles which end up in landfill or in our oceans. Whether you're traveling for a holiday, business, or adventure, make sure you pack an AquaPure traveler bottle along with your passport. Find out how you can stock the AquaPure traveler bottle in your clinic.